Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Final Cut Pro on Mac with Apple Silicon, full guide step by step clearly.
Begin by ensuring your Mac is powered on and connected to the internet. Open the Safari browser or any web browser of your choice. Visit the official Apple website.
In the search bar, type Final Cut Pro.
Click on the link for Final Cut Pro from the search results. You will be directed to the Final Cut Pro page. Look for the free trial button and click on it. This will redirect you to a page with more details about the trial. Scroll down until you find the download button. Click on the download button to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. The downloaded file will typically be named finalcutprotrial.dmg. Double-click on the downloaded file to open it.
A new window will appear with the Final Cut Pro application icon.
Drag the Final Cut Pro icon into your Applications folder. This action will begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, you can close the window. Open the Applications folder on your Mac. Locate the Final Cut Pro icon inside your Applications folder. Double-click on the Final Cut Pro icon to launch the software. The first time you open the application, it may prompt you to enter your Apple ID. Log in with your Apple ID to proceed.
After signing in, you may need to agree to the software license agreement.
Follow any additional on-screen instructions to finalize the setup.
You can now start using Final Cut Pro on your Mac with Apple Silicon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.